National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Appomattox County, northeastern Campbell County, northeastern Bedford County, southwestern Amherst County, the city of Lynchburg, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Forest, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Concord, Rustburg, Forest, Coleman Falls, Madison Heights, and Boonesboro. This includes the following locations: Liberty University and Lynchburg Airport.